pipeline. Look at the Biden administration. What a joke. Are we live? Yes, we're live. What's going on, everybody? I'm back. How are we doing out there? QC Therapeutic. I don't know. I've been hearing a lot of people saying Quested Therapeutics back in a wedge. I mean, not really. The wedge is back here. This is the wedge. The wedge is all the way back here. I mean, there's really, nah, not really. I wouldn't call it a wedge, but we did give back everything we got. To get back in the wedge, we would literally need to drop back down, way the hell back down here. You know what I mean? Whoa, what's up with that echo? My bad. ASON still gassing it though. AMC kind of gave up some stuff today, didn't it? Or wait, they're still positive, barely. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Pop, how you doing, buddy? We're back in the game, baby. We're back in the game. Nah, it's September, man. We're not even over yet. This is barely the beginning. This is just the beginning. So hold the fuck on. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day out there. Just so you guys know, I've been just going back and helping out at the shop down the street. So back to work. But I'm gonna keep doing my live streams every day. I got a little schedule going down here, so it's actually going pretty well. Feels good to be back, getting back and working on cars, diagnosing some stuff. Now everybody's, good times though. ASON's been just gassing it. Oh man, I'm not disappointed in ASON at all. I thought I was gonna lose some money on it, but man, I thought they were already overextended. INDP, where is it? JP Morgan, Golden Sachs. I think Golden Sachs is gonna, like I said earlier, they have direct top. They're probably gonna be the one to get collapsed from that Evergrande stuff. I think they have more exposure to Evergrande than anybody else. Spies kick. Where are we at on the broader market? Let me see. Wow, that was actually a pretty nice little recovery. Woo, man, it came down hard today, huh? Oh yes, Baba's getting clipped. Let's see, where's my Baba plays at? She said, I'm not going to outline shit for you. What's up, Crypto Millionaire? Where you been? I was wondering what happened to you. You doing well? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing pretty good. We had another wonderful day in the stock market. Actually, I got to reload the page. It might be a little laggy. And we got Pop. Is that Pop? Account red. Oh yeah, mine too, Crypto Millionaire. I'm down significant, but I got a couple little. Hi, how we doing, Pop? Doing good, Pop. Yeah, I got a few winners out there. I've just been buying a bunch of stuff right now. Like I said before, this is accumulation time. Usually September and October. This is the most time that I usually start grabbing stuff. But the SPY feels awfully familiar to last year. The same shit we saw last year. It looks the same. We might even break through the 55 or the 50. Because this was last September, so we'll see when October gets here what's gonna happen. But I think hopefully if it's anything like last year, we should be good. Hodl waddle, that's right. Just keep hodling and waddling. Where's Bitcoin at right now? Bitcoin should be holding up pretty solid, no? They had a nice little run earlier. They're back at 40. Yeah. And then Litecoin had a little run a couple days, a couple hours ago? I think this morning, I saw Litecoin had a little push to the top. Fucking Crypto Millionaire. That's funny. I hope everybody's hanging in there. I know it's been a rough couple of weeks. Everybody's like, what the hell?
We agree with that. And now he's against.
But I mean, this volatility is what we need.
Politics here, we know where the politics is coming from, but our argument.
But there's a lot of stuff going on, especially with that China, the Evergrande. One of these companies are gonna get clapped because you know these banks, a lot of them are oversaturated with some Chinese companies.
With Senator McConnell, not a political call, of course. She's not political. She's
And Evergrande, they got their hands in a lot of shit over there.
Enormous dangers of default would be. So that's the argument we're making. Yes, I know you all have good questions about the vehicle and how it moved forward. All good questions. We're working with.
But we have no answers for you, basically. Yeah.
Personnel announcement. Is the idea here that because they've got so much on their plate and they have a team that's been working on this stuff for a long time, you just wait until there's like a quiet moment to appoint somebody, or does that have any impact whatsoever on this one?
I promise you, when we have determined and selected an FDA commissioner to nominate, we will announce it and not wait for a quiet moment. I don't know if there are quiet moments around here.
Oh yeah, there's plenty of quiet moments where you don't give a shit.
That's what the president is eager to do, of course. I don't have any predictions of what the timeline will be, and understand certainly the question. Go ahead.
She just side-eyed that motherfucker right now. She's like, you son of a bitch. How dare you come in here and ask me that question? Where's the keys to therapeutic? Damn. What did we have like a pretty, what did we hit today? What's the low?
Right, the news just came out, as you referenced. It's a preliminary injunction.
Where do we go down to? Let me add the statistics.
We, of course,
Oh, wow, a little bit of volume. Wow, we went down to 408. Woo!
Next steps. We are still taking steps, or focused on taking steps to address the root causes of migration, implement
Put the billionaire.
strengthen collaborative migration management efforts in the region, and effectively secure our borders. We feel we've made considerable progress on that front, but this news, of course, just came out, and I really defer you to the Department of Justice for any additional steps.
And then one other on booster shots, obviously next week is the timeline that the administration laid out.
Oh, Bala needs to get back down to 153. I think it's gonna probably end up pushing through here again tomorrow.
Public health agencies about how to move forward.
Yeah, it's gonna break through this 153 support.
Study about this saying that the boosters are not needed. Do you still plan to have the boosters rolled out next week? And what do you tell the American people about some of this disagreement inside the...
Everybody said they're red. Everybody's down, huh? Not that bad. There it is, right? That's what I forgot. I had lines already on Baba. I think that puts Baba back at IPO prices, though. Oh no, never mind. IPO's down at 90.89. Ooh, it's a long way to go. 88's possibility is for short in the stock market. I mean, well, I mean, you know, you gotta have buyers and sellers. If not, I mean, it doesn't just go up with just buyers, though. But you know,
ACIP is planning to meet, and based on the next recommendation, we're prepared to operationalize.
There's just a lot of shuffling around. A lot of people shuffle their positions around this time. I mean, it is a lot of the big money doing the shuffling around, though, because, I mean, my money is not enough to move anything.
Does the president have any regrets about speaking publicly about this plan before there was the approval from the public health agency?
You just got to find what they're buying in on, ride the wave.
The first statement was done by our health and medical doctors, by HA.
I think AT&T and Viacom CVS are probably going to be pretty big winners. I mean, AT&T, like I said, has been a lagger, and then Viacom has, you know, took a hit because of the Arcadia's fucking bullshit.
And the CDC's Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices issuing booster dose recommendations based on a thorough review of the evidence. That was
listen to this bitch. She's just fucking.
If you look at it on the flip side of this, right? It is at the time they made this announcement.
The Biden lady. The Biden lady.
Data that was available that showed that the waning of efficacy of vaccines over a period of time. Right? That's why.
Damn, we just been barcoding right here, though, huh? A lot of barcoding today for Quested Therapeutics.
So the alternative would have been they not move forward with it and hold back and not share that data. I mean, that's also not being transparent or leading with science. And so that's
the wow. Look at chamber energies at 181. That's the listen to this broad. Where's that other one?
The American public should be getting boosters.
Life.
Starting next week. So they're all on that page, but the FDA Advisory Committee and the CDC Advisory Committee, let's say, are on a different page. If they don't think boosters should be ready at this time, I guess then who's the administration going to listen to? It's top doctors or these outside advisory committees?
Well, before we confuse the public, that's not.
Yeah, that was very confusing, wasn't it? That just sounded hella confusing. I was like, what?
What our health and medical experts have said, and they have been very consistent on this. Dr. Walensky, based on the FDA review and ACIP, and exactly as you said, the note that immunocompromised people actually never got really good immune protection to begin with. We noted that as of now, we should be offering.
Just therapeutics kind of coming back down a little bit.
So it is true. We don't have all the data. We have a lot of data from both.
They don't got no data. Just saw new May. Did you really? Are they up already?
Most all the safety data and so forth.
They brought up the other leaps, the May leaps.
And should be available to the FDA soon.
Oh wow, 246 days, eh? That's good.
It's always been pending the approval.
But the $10 one's not on there. That sucks.
All of these doctors have said.
Yeah, I want to see the $10 strikes.
They've said in their statement, 8 of them said.
Just see how many people are interested in them, but that's good.
Go through the process. That's what's happening over the next week. So we're
Oh yeah, Pop, good call out on that.
I have a follow-up on that from the FDA. Whatever those advisory committees recommend, you guys will follow their recommendations.
Yeah. Yes, of course. Go ahead. I'll go to you next, Emerald. Go ahead.
She said, "What's your goddamn turn?" Oh, what is this? Dow turns positive, climbing back from 2. Oh yeah, right. The Dow did come back pretty hard though. There's no buyers on this one yet though, so it's gonna. They're a little weird on it.
Are they sitting in a fridge somewhere? I guess.
All right, is there anybody open interest? No.
Objective here is.
I mean, if you can get filled on it, but the problem is like.
Be prepared for every single scenario, right?
I mean,
And
yeah,
so
right.
That's why we wanted to.
You gotta give it a little bit of time for people to start catching on to it and see where they go.
In terms of, so we are preparing for all contingencies and all scenarios. We'll see what the ACIP says, and then we'll be able to lay out for you where we go and what that means moving forward. I will say, we have never felt it to be, we feel it's a false choice to suggest it's either give to the world or not. We are continuing to.
Say she's giving false hope.
Vaccines for giving to the world. We will continue to have more announcements on that because we want to be the arsenal of vaccines to the world, and we are giving more than every other country in the world combined. At the same time, we're going to maintain a supply for the United States and for American citizens and for people living here.
Oh, come on, man. Why is it getting so hot here?
Should that be go through the approval process?
And I wanted to get to the hearing on the Hill.
Yeah.
General Miller.
Mm-hmm.
The president told ABC back in August.
The president said, "Come on, man."
Recommended leaving 2,500 troops in Afghanistan.
Yeah, so let's start seeing a lot more contracts coming up, other leaps. Probably a lot of countries, or a lot of countries, on a lot of stocks.
In that interview, an honest answer.
First of all, I'm not going to get.
Where's the SPY at? I want to see what the SPY looks like on the chart, because remember, we're not out the woodwork. It might look good and all that, but
What is clear is
I have these lines over here. Remember, still got the possibility of coming back down once we hit this. Once we hit right here, we'll see what happens tomorrow.
we walked into, which was a deal struck with the
Tomorrow's gonna tell us a lot about where we're gonna go, what direction. Just watch the SPY.
fighters, where we would need to get our U.S. Forces out. Otherwise, we would face conflict.
I mean, that looks like a solid level of resistance right here. So, I mean, we will see. We will see what happens here. SPY is still negative.
From the commander on the ground in Afghanistan that he feared that a full withdrawal would be devastating and should not happen.
He was provided a range of advice. I'm not going to get into more details than that, but what's important to note at this point is it's crystal clear that
Closing bell coming.
would not have been sustained.
Yeah, we got about 40
on
minutes.
the ground. It would have been
About
either
41 minutes for closing bell.
or withdraw troops on the ground. And the president has been clear many times.
Cannonball coming. Go green, please, and yes. Thank you. I think it's about, like, I mean, a lot of these other therapeutics have been, like, popping off, so we'll see.
Question earlier, the Democrats may have control, unified control in 2010, raising the debt limit.
I mean, we'll be able to see where everybody's conviction level is with the SPY. I mean, if it's able to push through and gas it, we'll see.
Why are Republicans for doing what they've done dozens of times in the past, and many of them did 3 times?
This is going to be a very, very interesting week.
Including after they passed a $2 trillion unpaid.
I mean, we'll see. It's been just coming down though, huh? What does it look like on a 30-minute one? Yeah, after we hit that high, we came back down. So I mean, the $4, I mean, looks like it might want to test it, but I mean, this looks like a solid level of support right there.
The president wants to maintain the full faith and credit of the United States. Our view continues to be this should be
On the bottom where this gap up was.
Forward, Emerald, I promise you voting against.
So it might. I mean, I still don't think we're gonna drop into $3. How's life doing? Oh, my life's doing great. No, I was playing. Oh, my life's doing great. Life? That's not life. Life is life's doing solid. I mean they're still up. I mean, they gave back their gap, so they might need a little bit more to come down to the top of this gap right here, where before they gapped up at the 921, and then they'll probably. It looks like a pretty solid level of support right there.
Including the acting head of the FDA, Janet Woodcock, recommended we would need boosters moving forward. The American
Like right, that looks like a pretty solid level to buy back in on life if you're in on it or if you want to get in it. It looks like it'll end up bouncing down there again and then taking off. But do keep an eye on the 860 area. Did you zoot it yet? Hell yeah. Not drinking though, not drinking. I gotta wait till after work because I'm back at my cousin's shop helping over there, and they have me installing the breathalyzer things for when I'm about to get drunk, and I can't be so and plus test driving customers' cars and shit like that. I wait till after work. But I'll smoke a little bit here and there. But yeah, so that's kind of why I switched my schedule up, so that way I can go back and help out at the shop and all that, and, make a little bit more side, a little cash on the side. It's always good to have multiple sources of income. Most of that money, like I said, I'm gonna throw it into a YouTube account, and then I'm just gonna come in and then just start making trades on that account, and then everybody can see how my investment philosophy works, and grow with it. See if it goes to 100,000 or if it goes to 0. Who knows? We're gonna take this to 100 or we're gonna take it to 0. We will find out together. But I've been kicking ass at the shop though. I mean, fuck, I barely I haven't even touched the car since I've been at home, but it's just like riding a bike. Basically like riding a bike, man. Like I'm blowing everybody out the water over there. It's they can't keep up with me.
Is to get them vaccinated so that they don't get the COVID to begin with.
6-hour jobs, I get it done in like an hour and a half. Wham, bam, next.
And the lower number of vaccination rates in some of these states, like Florida.
Nah, it feels good this time though. It feels good. Last time I wasn't really in the right state of mind. I had a lot of shit going on. So now I'm like, fuck yeah. Traded the opposite of me, Omar. Isaac's YOLO place. Trade the opposite. Right. Well, that way people can see, they'll be able to see, what a real account looks like. Long-term investment, the way I make, just to get an idea. And, I'll take, all the plays in account, what everybody says in the chat, and just, we'll see what solid news does for you, man. I hope he doesn't quit too, man. I was like, damn, Omar, what do you mean you want to quit, bro? I mean, I've been there too, though. Coinbase files to offer cryptocurrency futures and derivative trading. Nice, Coinbase. Fuck yeah. That's good. Dogecoin rivals Shiba Inu spikes in value while Doge price flounders. Shiba jumps 21% in 24 hours. Man, I'm going to buy a bunch of more of that Shiba Inu coin. I mean, you can't. I mean, how much it's going for? That shit's cheap as shit.
No, again, it's the acting FDA head.
How you think is Doge doing? Doge doing well.
not the White House, not the president.
I think Doge is doing good. I think Doge is going to blow people out the water. And I think we're going to get some solid news in here. And we're getting closer to next year once they launch Doge 1. I mean, man, Doge 1, baby, to the moon, or yeah, to wherever the fuck it's going, to space. I think it's going to help a lot.
If you look at their reverse, imagine if they had not come out.
Doge to space, let's go.
Their view, and this is where it might be headed. Now,
I mean, and the fact that Elon Musk hasn't really been saying a whole lot about it, I don't want Elon to say shit right now. I'd rather have a solid news for Dogecoin, a solid use case come out, and then he can come out and say fucking all the shit he wants to say about Dogecoin. We need a good catalyst before the tweets come. I mean, the tweets help and all, but if we had solid catalysts, we'd be good to go. Hey, the SPY has been treating that 50-day moving average as solid support. Just blink, blink. As long as you just got to keep it up. It's got to keep it up. I want to see what it does at close, though. That's what this line is. This should be closed right here. Almost closed. Close is like right here. I think Doge is doing well. Doge is holding up. I've been in Doge for a long time. I've been telling people about Dogecoin. I mean, we don't see no 90% drops no more, no 95% drops in Dogecoin, or I mean, we don't see these huge drops like we used to see. Before, where you would see like an 80% drop, and you'd be like, God damn it, man, I should have sold.
achieving our global objectives, which include
Now, I mean, it only dropped 60% this last time, right? From the top, I think it was like 60%. So I mean, it's not that bad compared to the last few drops. Yep. Yep. So, now I look at charts all day long now. Okay, technical on this shit. I get to go technical on some cars. Oh, my elbow. Shit, I hit my funny bone. That shit was not funny. Fucker. But man, I hope everybody's doing great today, and I want to thank everybody for tuning in with me. And like I said, even though I'm back at work, I do plan on doing live streams every day. Right there, it's in the morning, afternoon, shit, and then the weekends. Still stick to the same schedule. I kind of like the way the schedule's going. I think it should be pretty nice. I think I buy more Crystal Therapeutic tomorrow. That's good, Crypto Millionaire. I bought a bunch of calls this morning. I got the November ones. Yeah. Was it that one? Which ones did I grab again? Fuck, I forgot. I bought a bunch of options today, but the February ones, my bad. February ones. I bought the $2.50 ones and the $5 ones. And I'm currently down on them. I'm currently down on them. Damn, these ones are fucking crazy over here. Oh, I have these expiring tomorrow too, so those are worthless. This is why you get enough time. 14 days wasn't enough. Thank you, Isaac, sir. Oh, you're welcome, Crypto Millionaire. Thank you for coming in, man. I appreciate it. Staying consistent. There we go. Right there, SPY. Bounce right out that 52. Or up that 50. Man, I haven't heard from Omar in a couple days, and I hope he's still hanging in there. Maybe, I told him take a break. Like, a lot of people understand me. You don't need to trade every day. You don't need to make plays every day. You don't need to make plays every month. I mean, sit there and watch it and wait for your chance to jump in it, or jump in it and average in on it. Just remember, the next day you get a red day. That's the day to buy. Grab some shit. It's fire. It's on sale. It's on sale.
And excuse me, on another matter, there are also reports that the British Prime Minister will be at the White House next week and confirm that and offer any details about that.
Man, they still. You have no answers at all for nobody, do you, bitch?
The UN General Assembly and the president's trip there and other components.
Man, this fool Biden, they're about to fire his ass. I'm about to fire this motherfucker. He's a fucking idiot, man. I cannot believe what's going on.
Once it's through the process, of course.
Do you have an update on when the
AMC's back down to 46.49.
This is an understandable question. I don't have an update.
Oh yeah, I don't have an update. I don't have an update. I don't have an update. Life has low market cap. Like, yeah, it does. This bitch has no answers for nothing.
You said that we engage all the time with people who have big platforms or profiles. How do you determine who to engage with? And
Oh, you hear Fed Pal? Fed Pal wants to look into all everybody that does trades and shit like that. He says that shit is unethical or some shit. They coming after that ass.
Well, I appreciate your recommendations on our communications advice, Karen.
Yeah, but Fed Pal, he's coming after those motherfuckers. Trump needs to fire him, right? He needs to come in and be like, hey, in the great words of Donald Trump, you're fired, bro. You're fired. Here we go. Dogecoin, get back at the 2406.
People may not like the president.
You're fired.
And they may not have voted for him, and that's okay. And we work with a range of partners.
AMC is coming back down. Remember I was talking about that 46 area? That should be a pretty good entry point right there for if anybody doesn't have any. I mean, stop bullshitting with it.
We know there might be more effective voices.
Businessman, very good. I enjoyed Donald Trump. Movie show. Is the show? Hell yeah, man. I mean, his investments aren't really too good, but he's a businessman. He knows how to, get money. I mean, he knows how to get money. He knows how to get shit moving. I mean, even though a lot of his real estate investments and his business investments suck. Let's just put it out there. His business investments were never good. They all went bankrupt. But I mean, he knew how to bullshit a bank and get a fucking good loan. Yeah, I think he's filing for bankruptcy. He filed for so many bankruptcies back in the day. Like, dude, that fool come in there and bankruptcy all his businesses. But I still think he's a businessman, though. I mean, if he's still doing it, he knows what he's doing.
We can see anecdotally if people
Yeah, I miss Trump, man. I miss his funny ass tweets. He's very good in Manhattan. Yeah, he's got a lot of properties out there. I miss his tweets, man. His tweets were the best. That fool would just come out and talk shit. I mean, that's the way he would talk to the press. And not listening to like all of his shit wasn't even pre-written for him. He just off the fucking he hip fired that shit. Changed city to good. Yeah, he did do a lot for Manhattan. I always love watching Trump. All right, let's just depressing and listen to this broad. Try listening to Grandpa Biden talk to the press, and he's falling asleep. Yeah, if Trump was in there, I mean, I don't know. A lot of shit would have been completely different. I don't have nothing. Look at this bitch. She has 0 questions or 0 answers. This is like beyond incompetence right here. This is just straight up stupidity.
I don't think I'm going to characterize from here.
You cannot be that naive. There it goes. Look at the SPY. Man, I mean, I'll be very impressed if the SPY is able to come in and clutch it from here.
Eager to and looks forward to, as you know, I know it feels like it's been a long several weeks, or maybe just to me.
No, it's been a long several months since you fucks have got in there. Shit. It's been a long, depressing couple months. Crypto Millionaire, Type, and Mac Miller, Donald Trump. It's your jam. All right, never mind. I guess I get the rest of the day off, so I'll be here with you fine individuals for a little bit. Said I got enough cars done. He said you got all the work done. There's nothing left until tomorrow. My bad. I had to slow it down. Whoops. You better start bringing in more work, damn it. Start bringing in some. I gotta wait for a diesel to come back in this shop, man. I want to rebuild the diesel, another turbo. It's been a while since I've touched a turbo. Preferably a Duramax turbo, the LB7s. I like the LB7s, or even the LYY. Fucking crypto man there. Boom. That's good.
think we're certainly hopeful. given the
Oh yeah,
fact
Spy's
that-
going in, man. Oh, I hope everybody's ready though. Oh, AQST therapeutic coming down a little bit more. I hope everybody's ready.
I'm not sure there's a timeline. I'm happy to check with our legislative team and the.
But
and the
yeah, we're at a very key level, and I mean, I really don't see us being at like a high resistance level. Like, you know what I mean? I think we're at a very, very good support for it. I mean, we haven't really been doing too bad, but you know, then again, we haven't been doing too good. But the RSI definitely looks like it wants to come back down and test, just because, like, if you look at the RSI, you can see it kind of, it has like a little wedge kind of formation. So it looks like it's losing steam on the oversold side. So we'll be able to get back up to the oversold area.
Beyond that, I don't have another update on the progress. Okay, thanks everyone.
She said, I'm out. No more questions. Fuck you, and fuck you. You some bitches coming. Oh, yeah, you better put your mask on, lady. Look, she put her mask on this time before she left. That's right. Cover that pretty little mouth up. Sorry. I'm going to cover that pretty little mouth up. This bitch. She didn't have no questions, no answers for nobody. Crypto millionaire. Oh shit, hang on, what's going on over here? How much time we got left? Alright, we got about 24 minutes left. Yo, wait a minute. What is this? Twitter suspends what? Twitter super followers has generated only around 6K in its first 2 weeks. Oh, the super chat, the super tip bullshit. I missed Biden's speech. I gotta find that shit later. There we go, right here. Let's rewatch what Biden. I gotta recap on what Biden said. Bitcoin was up 315 in 2020. What's next for 2021? I think crypto's gonna blow up next year, man. I keep telling everybody. I have people at work hit me up about it, like, so what is cryptocurrency? A decentralized asset. Fuck, don't wait on it. Get on it. It's a fucking deflationary asset. Damn it. I use it as an inflation indicator though. Crypto millionaire on a live with you. Soon. Whenever anybody's ready.
This nation's history represents a fundamental choice. I believe that America at this moment is facing such a choice. The choice is this.
Anybody ever wants to, shit, you hit me up. Put you guys on the screen. We can talk some bullshit together, you know.
Or are we going to take this moment right now to set this country on a new path? One that invests in this nation, creates real sustained economic growth, and that benefits everyone, including working people and middle class folks. That's something we haven't realized.
Oh, well, I guess, you know, I can smoke now. I gotta go get my beer and shit now.
That is absolutely clear. Over the past
You know what? I don't want to hear this fucking clown. He ain't got dick to say. Shut the hell up. Supply chain is kind of, man, the price of everything's kind of going up a lot, though. Bros, don't say the name. What? Whoa. What is this? Evergrande has launched the world's first debt for apartments exchange offer. The fuck does that even mean? Everybody misses Trump now. Yo, where's Bro's ass? Bro still kind of gassing it up a little bit? Wow, Bros is doing pretty solid. Let me see, where my Bros play at? Did I buy any, bros? No, I didn't. Oh, where's GREE2? Gree. They kind of did a little, like, damn, never mind. They're getting beat up again today. Woo! Damn, support just, but it looks like it's building up a wedge, though. But it looks like it definitely wants to keep coming down. It's treating that 41, 42, maybe 43 area as a solid level of support. Oh, hang on. I got to clock out real quick. Fuck. And zooted, right? Alright, I gotta clock out. Shit, hang on. Fuck, I forgot. Yeah, I gotta clock out on my phone and shit. Huh? What's up with that? Get it. Clock in, break in, and break, and clock out. He'll adjust it. He'll see me clocking out of my house. I mean, look, that shit's crazy. I love it. What are we doing? What are we doing, bros? Bros still gassing it and zooted. Most definitely got to get zooted. Keeps it therapeutic back at open. Look at eBay's getting it. Anybody got any eBay out there? I think. Oh wow, eBay got a big little candle on that one. Whoa. Nah, we'll be good though. We'll be good, man. What a day! What a day! I know. I think I haven't seen Omar since what? Monday? Tuesday? Tuesday. I think was the last time we seen Omar. Whoa! eBay's got a lot of going on over there. Bro. Everybody's bro really gassed it up. Oh, Pfizer recalls some of his vaccines. Pfizer recalls a lot on of anti-smoking drug over fucking what? Wow. I don't know what the hell that is. Containers are full of fentanyl. Huh? Motherfuckers, you coming up with some weird shit online. Look at these fools on Twitter. Man, we're about to close too. Fuck. Oops. Oof. Coming up on the end here real fast. Come on, AQST Therapeutic. Get positive. I still haven't really seen anything good out of or heard much about the conference calls. Like I looked at one, but really hasn't got really too much hype out of it yet. But we still got a couple more coming up until the 21st, I think. You can buy Ethereum on what? IBKR now? Wow. So it's on IBKR now, that other brokerage account? That's pretty cool. What else you guys playing out there though? Just the Q therapeutic? That's it. Oh. CI. Chamber energy still? CEI, Chambers Energy's actually been holding up pretty solid. I mean, I'm surprised. I mean, damn. You could have came in and bought these wolves from the bottom down here at 33 cents and just fucking murdered it. Man. I mean, I traded this company last year, but, you know, it's very sketch. Oh, whoa. The SPY is slipping a little bit on the top. Workhorse, long-term calls, hell yeah. Workhorse is going to come back to live. I'm still waiting on Rivian. Rivian's supposed to IPO towards the end of this month, I think. Long-term calls, that's right. Long-term calls, baby. That's what you get. Some long calls. You'll be good. Those weeklies that get your ass, let me tell you. They look good and all, man. Them fucking weeklies, man. Fuck those weeklies. Because then, you know, you buy in a weekly and some bullshit like what happens this last week happens, or this whole month and last month. You're like, son of a bitch. Baba's still getting clapped. Damn, Target, Walmart, and somebody else are waiting on a lot of shipping containers coming in from San Diego. Or not San Diego, but from some shipping port. I guess they have first dibs on a bunch of 431 shipping containers that are coming in. Target, Amazon, and Walmart are the ones that are supposed to get first access to this huge shipment. So there's a huge delay with the supply chain, and that doesn't help. The fact that we have those big dicks waiting for everything first, so all the little small ones are gonna struggle to get it. I mean, but I think that if Chamber Energy cools down, it might be a good one to get in. But I mean, they've had a shady back history. So I mean, Chamber Energy is very sketch to fuck around with. I mean, if you got a spare couple $100, or, you know, I mean, maybe throw something at it. I mean, if you got some spare money that you don't give a fuck about, then CEI might be a pretty good one. I haven't really paid too much attention to the company ever since I looked at them a year ago. It didn't really catch my attention. Boat stuck? No, it's just there's a bunch of ships that are like just stuck outside the port. There's like a big jam up, so many ships, but apparently Walmart, Target, and fucking the other one have like first dibs for everything, and like it's causing an issue with the supply chain and the disruption. That's just what was coming across the wire. No, they don't got none on Chamber. Yeah, no, they don't have none on this one. But yeah, I mean, if you got a couple, I mean, maybe. They've done some crazy shit, but I mean, I don't know about Chamber Energy. I remember like every day before they were getting warned by the SEC they would get their shit together. They're going to get removed. They're always getting warned. Like, look, you're fucking below where you need to be. Some state away. Yeah, that's why I'm like, it's very sketch. Like, I've been thinking about it, but I'm like, man, I don't know, man. I ain't fucking with you guys again. Because last time I started trading them, they were at 250, 280 when they first got back on the market, when they were allowed to retrade, because they were removed for a whole year, I think. They weren't allowed to be publicly traded. I mean, I had to go double check, but I know it had some shit like that going on with them. But Tesla's killing it. Tesla, the little one that can. They did so many reverse splits, bro. They did reverse split after reverse split after reverse split after reverse split. They've done so many of them. That was back before I even really knew what like a reverse split was and shit. I was like, oh, it's good. They give me more shares? Fuck, what do you mean it's not good? Son of a... What? What do you mean? Man. Like stealing from people. Basically, that's what that company is, Shame Energy. It's one of those ones that legally are allowed. They just steal from everybody over and all the small investors. All right, we got about 9 minutes left. Yeah, I hate that part right there. That's the bullshit part. Like, they want to sit there and look out for the investors, but I mean, they allow shit like that to happen. Spy cannonball coming. Right there, bro. We're right here. I'm very interested to see what's gonna happen here. I'll probably hang around a little bit in the power hour and see what the hell it's gonna do. But I hope everybody's having a wonderful day, man. I mean, it's been a pretty phenomenal week. And remember, September, just mark your calendars for September next year because it's going to be the same way. Well, maybe not exactly the same way, but, you know, it's either on September or give or take. But, you know, it usually does the same little motion. But, you know, I definitely want to play the SPY again and go short and then switch it from short to a long position on the SPY. Because, man, you could have made some money off of shorting it and then jumping to long this whole last week. I mean, because it went down to, what, 440? 440, 442, I think it was. And then it jumped back up to 447. But I hope everybody makes a lot of money and just make small decisions. Don't move too fast. Don't listen to no bullshit. Don't get caught in no bullshit hype plays. Don't get caught up in no fake news. This has been a pretty rough week. I mean, granted, compared to last week. Last week wasn't too bad, but we didn't have no bullshit like Walmart come out, you know, with Litecoin. And then now we got that China bullshit with Evergrande. The Evergrande shit's going to cause a lot of issues. Oh, that's what it is, Pop. They're charging more money for the shipping container and then more money for the delivery trucks. The shipping containers are going through the roof. Cusick Therapeutic got a little bit of steam on it. That explains why shit's getting more expensive, because they're charging a lot more for shipping and a lot more for delivery fees and just everything. And then the fact that it's coming from China, China's probably like, well, fuck, let's charge them more. We need more money. But I think China might start printing out more yuan because of what the whole that bullshit that's going on right now with that company. I mean, there's going to be a lot of debt going on over there right now that needs to be paid. What was it, Evergrande? Damn, didn't they had another company that got clapped from over there. Fucking Chinese company. Another bank got clapped not too long ago, wasn't it? And don't forget, this is 13 years since, who was that one? The brothers? The Lehman Brothers, when they got clapped. It's been 13 years. So, I mean, it's very superstitious. AMC looked like it wants to get a little bit of a bottom there at the 46 area. Yep. But yeah, what a day. I'm surprised how the Dow recovered everything though. 5 minutes left. Less than 5 minutes. We got 4 minutes and 40 seconds. We'll see what's gonna happen right now. There comes a spy coming down south again. Damn, look at it. Right when he hit that wall. That's gonna come right back down to this lower area. The 446, 94. Hell. 44.6. Yo, Microsoft's all-time highs again? What the fuck? Yep. What the hell? What is this? This chart looks stupid over here. Four minutes to go. Less than 4 minutes to go. We got 3 minutes and 28 seconds left. And AQST Therapeutic is slipping back down to the bottom end. And we didn't get no Fed nomination. That was supposed to happen. All right, we got 3 minutes and 2 seconds left. Come on, who's gonna pump it? Ford's that positive. JP Morgan's just been holding up solid, and Goldman Sachs has still been getting clobbered. Oh, what I said earlier, that was for all the trucking shit. That's all what they're waiting on for shipment wise to leave port. But we got about 2 minutes and 20 seconds left. About to close the market up. If you guys got any bags you don't want to take on into the next day, throw them away right now. If not, wrap that shit up and put it away. Any bags you're holding on to and you're keeping, take them with you. Don't leave them here, please. Spy is turning south a little bit. Man, tomorrow's gonna be a very key day. And again, as always, I appreciate everybody coming in here and, you know, having some fun with me, calling out some plays, seeing what's going on in the market, losing some money. Don't worry, we're about to make some money. Oh, whoa, we're about to close red. Oh, we're about to close red. One minute, 15 seconds left. Yo, bros is slipping hard towards the end of the day. Oh, that's right. There's no extended hours on that one. Duh. INDP kind of, you know, I mean, they didn't do too bad. They're up 8% today. We got less than 1 minute. Less than 1 minute. 43 seconds left. What do we got? Back at nothing on AQST Therapeutic, bro. Like, I mean, come on. We haven't really done much. Got a little taste, you know, just a little taste on what's going to come. All right, we got about 21 seconds, 20 seconds left. That market is going to close half red. NASDAQ is holding up pretty solid. Oh, man. I hope everybody's excited. I know I'm a little bit on the edge of the seat. 2, 1, 0. Ding, ding. Oh, ding, ding, ding. It's a wrap. What a day. Let's see what happens. Oh, look. Are we going to get in? Man, what the hell? So, yeah. How's everybody doing, though? How was that? That was pretty exciting, huh? I mean, we've been doing this pop and then drop and then lock for the past few days. Yeah. I hope everybody's having a good day, though. That was a good game, though. Everybody gave yourself a good game. Good game. Regardless if you made money, lose money, or whatever, bro. It's a good game. Good game, Pop. You've been coming in every day, baby. That's all that matters. Don't quit. Don't ever quit. But, yeah, thank you for coming in. I will see you tomorrow, Pop, Crypto Millionaire. Anybody else out there, I appreciate it. Be safe out there, and we got another chance tomorrow. We got another chance tomorrow. Remember that. I'm out.